Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video. In today's video, I did a review of iWriter. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go in iWriter and order content and what are sort of things to look for and how to do this the fast way. So once you make an account with iwriter.com, if you want to get iwriter.com, below the video will have my link. It will drive you to iwriter.com. You set up an account, and you can start ordering content. And all you have to do, this is your first page dashboard. You can add money balance. You can download your previous content. What you could do is hit order content, and the first thing you do is give a content name. So I'm gonna get I don't know, the content name. The content name will be my blog post. What's about? Okay, so I would like an article, and this is internet and online businesses. And into my keywords, I just add the title to my blog. I don't need a whole lot of other content. Maybe I could add iWriter. If I can spell it right, man. iWriter could be a keyword. So you add keywords here that you want to involve into your post. Okay, so I just want one article right now. All right, so it's one article. And my last video, I told you I usually go with the put the sound on here. I would usually go with the standard because it's cheaper, and with the my last video I was telling you that the standard is not the best quality article. So make sure you go through the article yourself and you make sure everything's right on point. I've heard that if you keep rejecting or ask for rewrites, less and less writers will write for you because you have a tendency of rejecting the article. So make sure some articles, it was decent enough, just go through it and go through it and make changes. Remember, you're paying for the basic level, so you get basic content. Okay, so this article, I want basic content, and standard is the lowest you can go, and I want a 2,000 word article, which is $15. I have $32 available, so I can order another 2,000 word article. All right, so 2,000 word article, and then with these articles, they might go 2,100. I've seen some writers go 2,200. So sometimes you order a 3,000 word article, you might get 3,200 words, and you can always add to it if you need to. You can add up to 400 words to make it long as possible. But 2,000 word article is what we're going with right now. I might get 2,100. I might get 2030. It's all good. So brief project instructions. So I put this post is about I put the title here by blog traffic. I said please write, can't talk right today, please write about iWriter, because this is about iWriter. I post about iWriter. Please write about iWriter and how you can get good blog posts written. I can't spell today. Written at a good price. Please include. Okay, I cannot spell today. I am so sorry. Please include the good things about iWriter and some downfalls. Okay, so that's the project instructions. Okay, So we're gonna go here. In my last video, I told you tone of writing, because this is informational. And they're asking a question, so I want to answer the question: what is the best place to buy traffic for their blog? So we want this to be extremely informative. Let them know what they are getting with iwriter. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so extremely informative, because they're asking a question. Okay, the objective here is to motivate and purchase. I want them to order iwriter. Okay, get them to order content from iwriter. Okay, so that's the thing. That's the objective. The target audience will probably be a newbie. Will probably be basic knowledge, and I'm targeting prospect customers. Things to mention, I don't need that stuff. Sourcing requirements, don't need that stuff. I'd say it's about iwriter. Company information, you can put this. I don't really need this. Pretty much what I suggest is go with the target audience, tone of writing, and the objective. If you have things you want to avoid, you put here. If you want to mention certain things, you click here and do that. So we'll scroll on down. Now, if you don't have a writer that you want to submit articles to, you could hit no. But I have one I want to use. I want to use this person here, and they'll take 3 days to write it. Keep reserved for 2 days. That's fine. And place the order here, and you hit place order, and it's $15.50. So $15.50. My calculator real quick. I don't feel like doing math right now. So it's 32.2. So I have $16.75 left, so I can get another article written. Okay. So what I do is hit place order, and then it says your project title. Your order has been placed. Okay, and hit submit. I'm gonna hit the dashboard. Now I ordered the content. As you can see here in the red is pending approval. So once I approve the article, the $15 will go out of my account. Okay, now I have $16.75 left. I can go ahead and order an article if I like, or just wait till the article comes up. And as you see here, not completed. That means that nobody's picked it up yet. It's still in the pool for writers to pick up. Or my case, I hired my own writer that I have my favorite. He hasn't picked it up yet. And this will highlight one when it's being written. Once that's done, it goes to this process here. We'll go through the content and make sure it's all good to go. Then it'll be here completed. So I will shoot another video on how to accept an order and how to download the order. And there's several ways of doing it. And I'll show the way I do it, and then I'll show you, go through the article yourself and make sure it's on duplicate content. Okay, but that's how you order content from iwriter.com. You put the title of your post, you put with the brief description, you put things to include, things to avoid, you put how many articles you want, you add money from PayPal, and it's good to go. I mean, if my writer will pick this up, it's maybe done in the morning because it's kind of late right now. But I mean, the last time I ordered an article from him, he was done in 3 hours. And it was really good written. Didn't need no changes for me. Just copy and paste on my part and put on my blog. Okay. So this is from the xking.com. If you want to get into iwriter.com, I have a link below with my affiliate link. And I appreciate it. Use my link. I've been showing you the video, the content, an updated version of iWriter. I appreciate it. Use my affiliate link for that. Visit my blog at xking.com. If you want some free affiliate marketing training, I have a free course, totally free, to show you how to turn into a super affiliate in 100 days. This is Todd for That'sKing.com. Thanks for watching.